Interested in sharing your writing with the world? Kindle Direct Publishing, KDP, is a powerful platform that allows you to publish and sell your ebooks on Amazon. This tutorial will walk you through the steps to create and publish your ebook using KDP. Sign up for KDP. Go to the Kindle Direct Publishing website and sign in with your Amazon account. If you don't have an Amazon account, create one to get started. Create a new ebook. Click on the Create a New Kindle eBook button. Enter your book's details, including title, author name, and book description. Upload your manuscript. Prepare your manuscript in a compatible format, e.g., DOC, DOCX, or EPUB. Upload the file to KDP. The platform will automatically convert it to Kindle format. Design your cover. You can upload your own cover design or use the KDP Cover Creator tool. Ensure your cover meets Amazon's guidelines for size and quality. Design your cover. You can upload your own cover design or use the KDP Cover Creator tool. Ensure your cover meets Amazon's guidelines for size and quality. Set pricing and royalties. Choose your ebook pricing and royalty options. You can select between 35% or 70% royalty rates depending on your pricing and distribution choices. Publish your ebook. Review all the information and ensure everything is correct. Click on the Publish Your Kindle eBook button to make your book available on Amazon. Publishing an ebook on Kindle Direct Publishing is a great way to reach a wide audience and share your writing. If this tutorial helped you, check my links below and consider subscribing to Cyber Theo for more tech tutorials.